Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install an outlet in your kitchen island. The outlet I'm installing has a USB connections and two outlets, and basically this video is all about guide A to Z, how to make a hole in your island for this outlet, which box to use, and at the end which wire to connect to this USB outlet to get it working. So let's get started. So the items that I need for this, basically a saw, and I'm using a power drill, but you guys can also use a screwdriver, a level to basically draw an outline of the box where I'm gonna be making a whole electric box, which will just basically get mounted in the hole, and the wire will come in from the back, and then of course electric tape and this cover. They come with outlet and then a measuring tape. So this is the area where I'm going to be installing this outlet. So first thing first, what I'm gonna do, I need to find where I wanted to install this outlet. So in my case, I have a space where this is the desired space. Put a little pencil mark here where I'm gonna install. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw a straight line using this level. So just make sure my reference line, I mean the top line of my electrical box, is this. Basically this is my corner. What I'll do, then I'll take the box, match up this corner, and then I'll just draw the box all around it, so I know that my box is outlined, because then I'm gonna use this outline to run my saw around it and make a square box. So in my case, I have a panel installed on top of the kitchen cabinet. So I have I believe I have like a 1.5 inch space of wood wall here, which I'm gonna cut. So my box is a little deeper box, but you guys can buy a smaller box if you don't have that much of a space as I have. So let me just match this line. It fits perfectly right here. Recheck the lines, putting up a level there, just making sure the lines are straight. This is good. This is pretty good. So this is my hole made, and that was the two pieces I cut out with that saw. This is my wire that is coming underneath the cabinet where I have splice made. So what I'm going to do, just gonna put that box in. So my box fits perfectly here. I'll pull this wire, and just be careful when you use that saw. I made a little scratches here. My saw slipped, but I'm putting an oversized cover, so this I know will be covered, and hopefully this scratch will be covered too. So that's one of the tip that I would give you guys. Just be careful when you use your saw. So I have my wire cut, box mounted, and I shaped the wire. There's 3 wire, black, white, and then there's a bare wire. So black is basically your hot wire, which will go on this brass color screw, and then you have a neutral wire which will go to this white screw, and then you have a ground wire which basically goes to your grain screw for ground. So what I do, just do a little turnaround here, makes me easy. So once I installed the wires, what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna tape around it. It's not required, but I do it on all my outlets. So if you want, you guys can do it. Use this electric tape, just roll around it. So I don't see no naked wires, in case if I ever have to pull, or somebody else have to pull this outlet out and touch it by mistake. So I'll just fold that wire in the back of the box. Okay, I'll just use the screws. So this is my outlet box installed. Put a little scratch here. I'm gonna have to probably match the color, do something about it. And this is the back of my cabinet. That's how I look like. Box right here, and then the feed is coming from the bottom of the cabinet. So this is how you install an outlet on your kitchen cabinet. Tune in for more video. Thanks for watching.